Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change charging port on itel 2160. As you can see the front right here, you can see that all the support is gone because of the forced use to charge the phone. So that's why I took my time to scrape it. So here you can see the support now is really strong. So that right there is the positive flares. Connect it down to the charging port side with the help of our connecting wire. That's how we are going to do it, and our charging ports will be using on this phone. So as you can see, I'm done with the phone. The phone is charging. It's working 100%. See the way I use my connecting wire to do it. I have to connect it direct to the charging flares right there. Then that negative can be attached to anywhere.